Auto lens repair textured. Has this happened to you? Do you end up changing them more than once? There is a simple and effective solution. Auto lens repair kit. Package contains 3 pieces. Its material is plastic. Can be easily trimmed. Special adhesive that forms a weather-resistant seal. A simple and effective solution for repairing cracks in your car's taillights, turn signals, and clear lenses. No need to remove the housing as it adheres directly to the lens. It ensures a quick repair with its pre-formed grid pattern that matches your original lens. Clean the lens around the area thoroughly with a dry cloth or paper towel. Measure the area to be cut out and cut along the internal grid lines. Remove the back of the panel where the adhesive is and center over the area to be repaired. Press the panel to the lens and run your fingers around the edges to secure it tightly to the panel. You can save the remainder and it will look like this, quick and easy in a matter of seconds. Practical and economical. Subscribe, check my newest video, and check my previous video.